Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use sudo command on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to go into our terminal, so I will press right here on show apps and I will press on terminal to open it. And what is a sudo command? Because sudo command allows a normal user, for example like me, I'm a normal user with no administration privileges, test_pl, allows me to do things that only root can do. So, for example, installing packages, editing system files, and so on, I can do it without a sudo command or without logging into a root account. And now I will show you how to use it and how does it work. So, for example, if I want to do something like this, for example, apt update without a sudo command, as you can see, we have errors. Every error contains a permission denied, so that means we need to use a sudo command in order to make it happen. So I will now type it with a sudo command, so sudo apt update. Right now I have to, of course, type in password for this account, and as you can see, our update is happening, everything is downloading, and everything works. Right now, maybe I chose the wrong command because now we have to wait, so it will take some time, but it's okay. And right now, again, 22 packages can be upgraded, run uplift upgradable to see them, but if I will try to upgrade them without the sudo command, as you can see, again we have an error, permission denied, unable to frontend lock argue root. So again, we have to type in sudo apt upgrade. Maybe I will not do it again because it might take some time, so I will skip that, but it will work with sudo command. Another thing that we can do basically with like a normal user is editing a system files or creating files in the system directories. So for example, if I will move on to the etc section, as you can see, this is a system section, and I will try to create a file right here. So for example, touch file.txt. As you can see, touch cannot touch file.txt, permission denied. Again, if I will use sudo, as you can see, we created a file.txt. We can grab that, or maybe we will have an error, I guess. Maybe I will stop that and I will show you it like this. And it was a file. As you can see, it is file.txt. So everything is working. How can we run a command as a root? We can basically do it like this. So we can use something like this, and we will be able to use this command without a sudo. So we can do it like this, and again I can create a file 2.txt, and it is working because I basically choose the root account. We use, as you can see, my test.pl Ubuntu change into root Ubuntu. That means right now I am root, but if I will close the terminal and I will open it again, as you can see, right now I'm again a regular user, and again if I will do apt update, it don't work. If I will type something like this and again type in the password and again type in apt update, it is working. So that's basically how we can use a sudo command and administration privileges on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.